TT. He came out with his mother and was killed in the presence of his mother. He had nothing to do with any demonstrations or just watching what the police were doing. He will also be buried. That young man's ambition in life was, because the mother is a single mother, to go study, get a university degree, come and put up a home for his mother. You can imagine, therefore, how shattered that single mother is in Mali. And as a result of that, people came out. And you can look at each of these cases where, as a result of the killer squad, the people who saw, all of them had bullet wounds. The ones who succumbed had them on the head, on the chest. But the majority of them were running away. Why kill people running away? Because the bullets were from the back. So these are some of the things that we will share with the envoys, and we expect them also not to be partisan in any way. Thank you.
Thank you. Can we have one more? Yes. No, that is at our convenience. We have received their request, but we have also been talking to them because, like Martin Luther King once said, at the end of the day, we will not remember the harsh words of our friends, but the loud silence of our friends. They have been silent when people are getting killed here. Why would it take someone from Geneva to issue a statement that was issued, and they are here and they have not spoken? We will engage them at our convenience. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Well done.